Everyone thinks the best-selling bridge pins for acoustic guitars are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, RUSON Bridge Pin Set. First up, we have the RUSON Acoustic Guitar Bridge Pin Set. Priced at just $5.99, this package caught my attention because it includes not only 6 bridge pins but also a bridge pin puller and a guitar saddle. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your guitar maintenance needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lightweight plastic material and alloy construction of these pins ensure durability while enhancing your guitar's tone. With over 792 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, many users appreciate how these bridge pins bring out the hidden harmonics, improving tuning performance and making the sound fuller. Plus, the included puller is a convenient tool for easily changing strings without damaging your guitar. Now, some people complained about the bridge pins feeling a bit flimsy compared to wood options. Here's the thing though, while they might not have the heft of wooden pins, they serve their purpose well for budget-conscious guitarists who want a quick fix without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with guitar maintenance or need a low-cost option to replace old pins. Skip this one if you're an advanced player looking for premium materials. Overall, the value for money here is impressive. Now, if the plastic feel of RUSON's pins doesn't sit well with you, the next option takes a completely different approach with wooden construction. Product number 2, Jinlop Bridge Pins. Next, we have the Jinlop Plastic Acoustic Guitar Bridge Pins set, which comes in at a budget-friendly $3.99. This set includes 6 black pins and a bridge pin puller, making it an attractive choice for beginners. If you're after a simple, hassle-free solution for replacing damaged pins, you should give this one a serious look. These pins are designed to fit most acoustic guitars, and the pronounced collar makes removal a breeze. Users appreciate that the decorative points stay in place, enhancing the overall look. With a 4.5-star rating from 654 reviews, it's clear that many find these pins reliable and easy to install, even without much experience. However, some reviews mention that the pins can feel a bit basic in terms of sound quality. But honestly, for those just starting out or needing a quick replacement, this isn't a deal breaker. They do what they're supposed to do without fuss. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, no-frills solution for your acoustic guitar. Skip this one if you're looking for something that offers a premium sound experience. Overall, it's a solid option for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking enhanced tone quality. Product number 3, JLD Acoustic Bridge Pins. At number 3, we have the JLD Acoustic Guitar Bridge Pins, priced at $24.30. This one caught my eye because it offers a unique solution to bridge issues that many guitarists might not even realize they have. If you want to improve sound projection and contact, this is worth considering. This enhancement can significantly improve your guitar's tonal quality. With a 4.5-star rating from 632 reviews, many users rave about how it enhances their guitar's sound projection and overall performance. Now, some users found the installation a bit complicated since it requires drilling. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in the effort, the results can be quite rewarding. For those who prefer a straightforward installation, this might be a bit of a hurdle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious upgrade in sound quality and are comfortable with DIY projects. Skip this one if you want something plug and play. The investment can really pay off in sound quality. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more traditional, our next product is a beautiful wooden option that might catch your attention. Product number 4, Crosby Ebony Bridge Pins. Coming in at number 4, we have the Crosby Slotted Pure Ebony Bridge Pins, priced at $13.99. These caught my attention for their elegant design with abalone dot inlays. If you want to enhance both the aesthetics and tone of your guitar, this is a fantastic choice. Ebony is known for its durability and sound properties, and these pins can add clarity, sustain, and volume to your acoustic guitar. The standard fit means they work with most major brands, and users have given them a solid 4.3-star rating with over 3,400 reviews praising their quality and appearance. However, some users reported that they needed to sand the pins down for a perfect fit. But honestly, if you're willing to take a few moments to get them just right, the sound improvement can be well worth it. It's a small effort for a major upgrade. This is perfect for you if you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want to enhance your guitar's tone. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with minor adjustments. Overall, it's a beautiful and effective option for any guitar player. Now, if you're looking for something that combines traditional materials with modern enhancements, the final product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Vensit Matte Bone Bridge Pins. Finally, we have the Vensit Matte Unbleached Acoustic Guitar Bridge Pins priced at $11.99. Made from real cattle bone, these pins are designed to improve sound transmission significantly. If you want to get the most out of your guitar's tone, this option is definitely worth considering. The structure of these bone pins allows for excellent sound quality, and the visible lines of the bone add a unique touch to your instrument. With a 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, users have praised how these pins help create a more balanced sound, especially for guitars that might be too bright. The included abalone dot inlay adds an elegant finish as well. Some users mentioned that the bone material might not be suitable for all players, particularly those who prefer synthetic materials. But here's the thing, if you're after authentic sound quality and aesthetics, the benefits far outweigh the minor drawbacks. This is perfect for you if you want a premium sound experience with natural materials. Skip this one if you're set on synthetic alternatives. It offers great value for the sound quality it delivers. So there you have it, the top 5 bridge pins for your acoustic guitar, from budget-friendly options to premium sound enhancers. Each choice offers a unique benefit, so think about what your guitar really needs. Whether you're looking for ease of use, sound quality, or aesthetics, there's a perfect option for you. Happy playing!